Hey guys, this is Jim, founder of Libereum, and I'm here to discuss a crypto wallet I like to use, Coinomi, and I'm going to show you how to install it on your mobile phone or your tablet and on your desktop computer or laptop. And I will also teach you how to connect the wallet you have on your phone with your desktop so you can use the same wallet on both devices. So here we go. First of all, I'm going to show you where you can find it in your Play Store or Apple Play or whatever app you're using. So let's focus on that. I'm using BlueStacks, but in fact this is how you show your Android Google Play Store on desktop. So don't be confused. Follow me here. Type in Coinomi. Then you'll see the Coinomi wallet, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and tokens. So this is what we're looking for, the original, and don't install a different one. Look at the reviews if you're not sure. 1 million plus downloads, 27k reviews, and basically they're all top notch, 4.5 on average out of 5 stars. So that's absolutely not bad. Let's hit the install button. Obviously, when you're using your cell phone or your iPad or whatever, the screen will show something similar, and it will do basically the same as I'm showing you right now. So no need to panic if something doesn't look familiar. In the end, it will all be easy to understand. Now we're waiting for the download. Let's see. Here we go. Dum, dum, dum. Finished installing. So usually you click on open. Welcome to Coinomi Wallet. Click on, I think, advanced wallet creation. This is it. So here we go. This is the most important screen you'll ever see when creating a wallet. This is your recovery phrase. Usually it's 12 words or 24 words. And it's very important that you write these down and never ever lose it. This is like your personal ID, your driver's license, and your bank account PIN number all together. This is what you need once you lose entrance to your wallet, or for example you update your system, you need to reinstall your system, or you get a new phone and you want to install the wallet on your new phone. This is what you need to get access to your funds at any time in the future. If you lose these, then you definitely will lose the ability to access your funds. So this is incredibly important that you'll never ever lose the recovery phrase. It says I have safely stored my recovery phrase offline. Now we can do that by copying. Obviously, when you're using your phone, you cannot copy this, but some phones have the ability to take a screenshot, so you can screenshot this. But be aware, if anyone else gets a hold of this recovery phrase and you have funds in your wallet, chances are you will lose your funds. Just print it, write it down, put it in your safe, put it somewhere nobody ever will find it, send it to your a securely set up private email address that you'll only use for your wallets, for your crypto business. Just consider this. Never, you will never give your bank card and your PIN to a stranger. So this is the same security. Only now you are solely responsible for this and not a bank or anyone else. You are the only one who is responsible for your recovery phrase. So you should act like it. If you want to be involved in cryptocurrency, this is the number one rule. If someone else has your keys, then the wallet is not yours. If someone asks you for entrance to your wallet, never give it to them because they will steal your funds. It's a given. If someone says, I can help you with that, let me install this software, that software, or whatever software, don't trust them because they will try to get your keys and or your recovery phrase. And with this, if you act accordingly, you save it on a piece of paper, write it down, put it in a safe, or you copy it, send it to your own email address, a secret email address that you've set up especially for this occasion, for your wallet creation, then everything should be fine. This is what I do. I create a new email address at Proton Mail, for example, and then I send the wallet details, the recovery phrase, to my Proton email account. This is what I do. I find it somewhat hard to write down. Obviously, there are options. You could take a screenshot, you could take a picture, but whatever you do, just make sure nobody else finds it, gets their hands on your recovery phrase or whatever. So this is incredibly important. So for show's sake, I'll just copy it and I'll use it later because I'm going to show you how to install this wallet that we have here, that we are installing right now on my desktop computer. So here we go. Oh, okay, 1 second. Let me open a quick notepad. Notepad. Here we go. So, please confirm your recovery phrase. Holiday is the first word. Okay, close the second dial. Truly. Cues. Answer, surround, answer, surround. Clay vacant. Here we go. Let's type a generic password. Okay, let's do. Boom, 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 boom. Too common too, safely to use. So this is your second layer of protection. Choose a good password, and that's your second layer. Even if someone has access to your wallet, then you could use your password to secure at least the transactions. But it's never a safe idea, you know. So figure out a password that only you can remember. I'm gonna take temporary one. It should work now. Yes. Okay. Well, it's created. I could choose to pick all coins, tokens, but for show's sake, I'm just choosing Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin. Let's have Ethereum. Ethereum is important in with the ERC20 token creation. One of my favorites, Litecoin. I don't know. So these are the ones we're choosing. Let's click plus. Here we go. I agree. This is now our wallet. If we want to start using it, um, you can find your Bitcoin wallet address right here. You can use it to scan, check compatibility, the legacy address. This is what you'll use in sending someone else your Bitcoin address. If he asks, so give me your BTC address, this is what you use. You can screenshot this. You can fill in, I want to receive a payment of, let's say, 500 USD right now. Then the sender will know that he should transfer 0.029 Satoshi, and you'll receive that. If they use a QR code scanner, they simply scan this, and this will automatically be used in the wallet. So let's head over to Ethereum. This is the Ethereum address. This is also the address for all the ERC20 tokens in this wallet. If we create a new ERC20 token wallet in this Coinomi wallet, then it will get this address too. So if you have a Coinomi wallet and you send this to someone who wants to transfer tokens to you, ERC20 tokens, simply send them this address and you'll always have them in your wallet. Even if you cannot see them, that just means that you haven't entered the contract details into your wallet. But if you look up this address in Etherscan, then you'll also find all its contents, all the tokens that belong to this address that are in your possession. So let's head over now to my desktop and see how we can connect Coinomi mobile phone or iPad or whatever device you're using to your desktop. So head over to this and simply go to Coinomi. You'll see I've always checked the original URL. It's coinomi.com, the blockchain wallet trusted by millions, and I trust it too. It's a very good wallet. Let's click on download and it will show you Google Play, Coinomi wallet for iOS, and Coinomi wallet for Windows or Mac OS. So basically the installation is for desktop versions all the same, even Linux, sorry. Click on download. Download should open. You should be able to install it by yourself. And then it will ask you to create. This will be your opening screen once you download the Coinomi wallet and start it. It will show you it will give you the choice to create a new wallet or restore a wallet. Now, for show's sake, we will choose the restore a wallet option because we've just created a new wallet on your mobile phone and we want to connect it with this desktop app. So here we go. It's a recovery phrase. That's what we just copied. All a close dial, etc., etc. So let's click OK. Remember the password. I do. Let's choose the same. Coins. Next. Here we go. Let's rename it for. It doesn't matter now. So let's check the address now, and you'll see it should be the same address as on my mobile phone. It's 63807, 63807. So it's the same address. Let's have a quick check with Bitcoin 2. Receive. Let's have a look at the compatibility. 3H6K8. A It's the same, obviously. So, and it goes without saying that you can use this to transfer your money to different wallets as well. So, if you want to receive, just click receive. This is your address. Use this if you're not sure. And by sending, this is where you put in the recipient's BTC address or Ethereum address or whatever coin you're using to transfer money. If you want to transfer $150, you know that you'll have to transfer 0.288 Ethereum to the address you're choosing. So this is it. This is as simple as it gets. Now you have installed Coinomi on your desktop and in your mobile device, and you'll know that you have to secure your private keys, your recovery phrase seriously. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope that you learned now how to become part of the crypto industry and grow the network. Thank you for joining. Peace.